These guys are magnificent. Okay, let's do it right now. On keyboards. On keyboards. Mr. Steve Robbins on keyboards. Mr. Steve Robbins. On percussions and things, my younger brother, Mr. Chris Brooks. I had him playing professionally. He was 8. We used to play at the Broadway Hotel downtown. He was 8 and I was, you know. And who did I introduce? Oh, this guy right here. How about a round of applause for a guy who came from the magnificent, don't do that. Magnificent Earth, Wind and Fire and Phoenix Horns, Mr. Ronald Lee, Michael Davis. And I couldn't get this. Every summer, the guy right back of me, every summer, his dad, who's my mother's brother, would send him to Illinois. He would come here and he spent the summer in Illinois. And Chris was the drummer first, and he would come and beat on Chris's drums and we would all be mad at him. But we didn't know that he would turn out to be the magnificent Mr. Buddy Williams on percussion. You know Buddy from Saturday Night Live, you know him from Roberta Flack and some other folks. So we're just going to play some music. You know, I was going to do a lot of talking, but we're just going to play some music. So we hope you enjoy it. And if you feel like dancing, you can dance. Oh man, I'm so happy. What of a morning that draws the day so gently, big big love leaves, our memories feel so long ago. I still recall you in those early hours. Though I look there, but lost long ago. It was past of you, scooting over half of the truth, scooting only once more. in those early hours, I heard it. It was Christmas of and then one morning, across the days of Tennessee, set my heart the things of the heart of lost long ago. Yeah? Gingy. Here's a tune by Antonio Carlos Jobim. Sky so vast is the sky, far away clouds just wandering by. Where do they go? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Winds that speak to the leaves, telling a story that no one believes. Stories of love belong to you, me. Oh, Gingy, if I only had words, I would say all the beautiful things I see when you're with me. Oh, my Gingy. Oh, Gingy, like the sound of the wind in the trees, that's all my heart says. Gingy, happy to be when you're with me. I love you more and more each day. Yes, I do, Mama, yes, I do. Sincerely, I'll let you go your way. You will take me with you. Don't you know, Gingy, I've been running and searching for you like a river that can't find the sea. That would be me without you, Gingy. Gingy, if I only had words, I would say all the beautiful things that I see when you're with me, oh my Gingy. Oh, Gingy, like the sound of the winds in the trees, that's all I want to say. Happy to be when you're with me. I love you more and more each day. Yes, I do, Mama, yes, I do. Sincerely, I'll let you go your way. If you take me with you, don't you know? I've been running in circles for you like a river that can't find the sea. That could be me. Just for you, my Gingy. Without you, Gingy, searching for you. Say, Steve. Just for you, Gingy. Just for you, my Gingy. Just for you, Gingy. Oh yeah? That's good. That's good. I'm so glad you like that. What'd you say? Oh. Yes, I gotta find the list as soon as I find the list. He's bothering me already. We got a list of songs and everything, but I knew. Oh, play something else. Here's a tune called Minnie on Russell. Are you really happy here in this lonely game we play? Looking for words to say, searching but not finding understanding anyway. It's only game we play. Lots of living disappear every time I see your eyes. No matter how hard I try to understand the reasons that we carry on this way. We're lost in this past, forever in this masquerade. this lonely kingdom, searching for words to say, searching but not finding understanding anyway. It's all in this man's way. Oh, afraid to say we're just too far away. I'm feeling close together from the start. Trying to talk it over, but words got in the way. We're lost inside this lonely thing we play. But something disappears every time I see your eyes. No matter how hard I try to understand the reasons that we carry on this way. We're lost in this man. In this man, scurry, in this masquerade. Thank you. Thank you. Are we doing all right? Thank you. Thank you. Rob Lee. Michael, what's your name again? Steve Roberts. Buddy Williams, Chris Brooks, me. Here's how we got our money. This is how we made our bread and butter. So we're going to show you guys what it's like to be on the R&B circuit and do a little R&B. And this is real. If you feel churchy, you want to go to church, you might want to do this. Yeah. Go ahead, man, sing this song. Put on your red dress, red vest, on your high heels, one of that sweet perfume. Your lipstick,
Your lipstick.
Let your hair down before we can get through. I'm gonna show on you. Tonight's gonna be a special night. Anytime before. I'm so glad to be with you. So glad to share your love. Sure look good tonight. And you're so damn fine. I gotta say, sure look good tonight. Slide over now again. Step in our bedroom. But first I'm gonna take some time. You're so fine. Can't believe that you're mine. All I wanna do, I'm gonna make love to you. Tonight's gonna be a special night. Get it on. I'm so glad to be with you. Glad that I'm the one. Sure look good tonight. And you're so damn fine. I gotta say, sure look good tonight. Hey, Rob,
Yeah, man.
do a little stat.
Oh, okay, I'll stop with
Step in our bedroom. Put on your nightgown. I wanna take some time. I wanna look at you. Girl, you're so fine.
You're so fine.
I believe that you're mine.
You're mine.
And all I wanna do, I wanna love to you. Tonight gonna be a special night. Be mine. Sure look good tonight. That's real, really good. I like that.
Well, give a nice little hand clap for him.
Clap your hands. Come on.
Sure looking good tonight.
And your soul is so look good tonight. I said, oh girl, sure good tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We got two parts of this program. We're going to play some jazz, some traditional stuff. But I surely wanted to do this, so I talked Steve. Steve, he said, the only way I'm going to do this is we're going to play. So we're going to, we're going to play a little couple more tunes, take a break, come back, and then we're going to do some serious jazz. But until that time, I can play what I want to play, right? I do, but look, I came back from college since '61. I haven't been in years. I got to do what I want to do. Okay? Oh, what's this?
That's all right. I think he can do what he wants to do, right? He can do that right? Whatever you want to do, right?
This is just a little sample built on a single note. Other notes are bound to fall, but the note still the note. Now this new one is the concept of the one you just as I'm bound to be the unknown of the concept. Let me tell you, people talk. People talk. To that note. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Since I found this. Here's a tour we'd like to do, a dedication to a guy by the name of Maurice White. He's the founder of Earth, Wind, and Fire. Right? How about a round of applause for Maurice White? Find music. So I said, told Ron Lee, I said, Ron, we're going to do this. And he said, if it don't sound like Earth, Wind, and Fire and Phoenix Horn, he said, I ain't going to do it. Oh man, please, you know. Right. I want to do this too. I want to do this too. They didn't want to get up on stage, but we did one rehearsal. But I just gotta have some cousins of mine join us on this too. How about a round of applause for Dwayne Brooks and Dennis Brooks? They didn't even know I was gonna call them up. We had about one rehearsal and they said, hey, we didn't know it. Dwayne and Dennis Brooks. So we're going to do this too. We're going to do it our way. This is dedicated to Maurice White. For a while, love is all we could do. We were young and we knew, and all our eyes were alive. Deep inside we knew our love was true. For a while, paid no mind to the past. We knew love would last every night. Something right would invite us to begin the dance. Something happened along the way. Yesterday, all we had. Something Something happened along the way. Yesterday all we after the love is gone, you still be right and wrong. Love is gone after the love, you still be right and wrong. Love is lost for a while. Love each other with all. Ever need love was strong for so long. Never knew that what was wrong, maybe wasn't right. Finally found what we had. Till sadness was all we shared. We were scared. There would be our love too. Something happened along the way. Yesterday was all that we had. Something happened along the way. Yesterday was all that we after the love you still be right and wrong. Love is gone in my after the love you still be right and wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Romney. Something happened along the way. Used to be happy and sad. Something happened along the way. Used to be happy and sad. After the love, you still be right and wrong. Love is lost without after the love is gone, you still be right and wrong. Love is lost without dedicated to Morris White. We're going to get down here for a minute and take a little pause. Is that all right? Can we do that? But we're going to come back and we're going to do some more. I'm going to play the bass and they make me play the bass. I hope you enjoy it. We just so enjoy playing this. Thank you thank you so very much. Steve Roberts, Blues for Maestro. Mr. Saturday Day, I never know what for. Couldn't live without you. Don't get around much anymore. Don't I visit the club? Not as far as the door. Couldn't live without you. Don't get around much anymore. Darling, I guess my mind's more at ease, but nevertheless, I never been alone all day. I have gone to it for. Couldn't bear it without you. Don't get around anymore. Come on, Ron. Couldn't bear it without you. Don't get around much anymore. Now I visit the club, not as far as the door. They all ask me about you. Don't get around much anymore. Darling, I guess my mind's more at ease, but nevertheless, why still up here, big body all day? I have gone, but what for? Nothing different without you. Don't get around much anymore. All be different without you. Don't get around much anymore. Without you. Don't get around much anymore. Don't get around much anymore. Can't move. You didn't get a chance to play? You didn't play solo all night? Yeah, Buddy said there's another song to play. He's complaining he didn't get to play on that. And Buddy says there's another. Oh, Buddy introduced me to Steve. Steve Roberts is from New York City. How about Steve? Born and raised in Brooklyn. No, not really. Born in Brooklyn. Then he went to where? Out in New Jersey, yeah. New Jersey. And he ended up going to Bucknell. He went to Bucknell. What key is that? That's good. Just tell me the key. Yes. Okay, thank you. Here's another tune. Be lonely and small. on trumpet. Melodious Love Tune called Well Needed. Well You Need It. Huh? Here's a tune called All Blues. all blues. Ron Lee and Michael Davis, all blues, all blues. You know, we really got to leave, and we want to take up a little offering. Maybe we can do it on the way out. But can we play one more tune? Can we play one? Oh, thank you so much. I got to make a spiel. Thank you so much. You know, this is the Vista program. It's going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays, 4th, 5th, and 6th graders. We're teaching them how to read, music, and play. And then while we're doing that, we're collecting the library of instruments. So if you have an instrument sitting around your house and you don't want it no more, get it to one of us, one of the books or something, so we get to me. And so when the kids do well, then they'll learn how to play the instrument. And then Monmouth College has been so gracious that the band people in the band are going to teach them how to play. And the high school kids, too, are also going to teach them how to play. I got to stay around two years, all winter long, for this Vista program. I don't like it. You know, going to 1128 South 11th Street, when I was young, it was like, shh. And so I always didn't want to stay in the winter time. But I'm going to be here 2 years because, you know what, I love you. I honestly do. I love you people. I love our community. I just hope we all just work to make it like we're doing. We'll just keep working to make it better and better, won't we? Huh? We'll just work, we'll make it better and better. You know, yeah, especially for the kids. So, you know, we're going to do something. So when we call on you, if you got instruments, bring them in. We'll be calling on you to do a lot of other things from now on. The president tells me we're going to get the chance to do this again, and I like that. I really do. How about that? Should we do it again? Should we do it again? Thank you. Yeah, no, we was going to do Mr. Sandra did that. Can we do that? Okay, what are we going to do? Yes. Last two. You are the promise of something that makes a lovely winter seem long. And you are the goodness hush of the eve that trembles on of a lovely song. You are the glow that lights a star. The dearest thing on earth is what you are. Someday my happy heart will hold you, and someday I'll know that moment in mine when all the things you are mine. Play one more time. trumpet. Steve Robbins on keyboards. And great Buddy Williams on drums. Yours truly, Chris Brooks on percussions. Thank you. My two cousins, Dwayne and Dennis. Yours truly, Liquid. Thank you so very much for coming. Hey, I think there's something outside. On the way outside, put some money in a bucket out there or something for our program. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Sure good tonight.